see this video, you are probably thinking about buying a 3D printer. This video can help you to save money and your time and also stress. And you have a lot of questions that you have to ask before buying 3D printer. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yegane, and today in this video I want to talk about 3D printers. Most people buy a 3D printer and they will think that it just works normal. And then after 1 month they get frustrated, disappointed, and then they take it away. All the information that I'm talking in this video, it's about my experience, and everyone can face different problems or different experience in this journey. So I hope that you can use this information for yourself. Now I want to answer to some of these questions that you have asked yourself before buying 3D printers. First question, is the 3D printer hard to use? The answer is, getting to know it's not hard, but if you want to have a good result of the product and everything, you need to practice. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't work. So this is something normal in 3D printers. And 3D printing, it's a skill. If you are enjoying practicing, experiencing, and you have a lot of patience, you will love it. Question number 2, do I need to know how to design or knowing any software? The answer is no. For the beginning, you don't need to know any software or designing. The good thing is there is thousands of millions of design that you can download free and prepare them and print them, and it's not necessary to know any of software or design for the beginning. But if you want to have more freedom, if you want to do something specific, you can start to learn with simple software, and this is something else. But the reality is it's not required to know any software or any designs or skills to work with 3D printer. Question number 3, does it break often? People think that 3D printers are often broken, but the reality is not this. They don't break, they just need regular care, like cleaning, tightening parts, and small adjustments. Once you understand your printer, most of the problems are easy to fix, and they are not expensive even. Question number 4, an important question. What really affects quality of print? This part surprised many people because the quality of the print, it's not about printer. Like, it's not all about printer. It's about the material that you use. It's about your setting that you do on your printer, and how well you know about your printer, you know about your machine. I believe the cheap printer with good setting can give you better results than expensive printer with like bad settings. So don't think about it that if you buy a expensive printer you can get better results, like different. Okay, yes, some of the printers that they are expensive, they have better results, they are easy to use, and they have more technology, but it's not all about this. The printer quality and the price of printer actually is 30% of your journey for printing and quality of your product. Question number 5, shall I buy cheaper printer or expensive printer? This depends on your goal. If you want to just try, if you're curious about 3D printer and you want to start, it's better to start with simple printers and cheaper printers. The difference between cheaper printer and expensive is cheaper printer need more care. They are regular, you need to change their settings and take care of them, and you need to takes more time with them to fix the settings and everything on it. But if you want to print constantly with high quality, I recommend you to buy a better printer. Not expensive, but depend on what you want to do. You can choose a better printer than simple and cheaper. Question number 6. Is it loud? Okay, as you can see, I have my printer back and it's printing, and you can hear the background, my voice, the printer voice. So it's not so loud. Okay, it has noise, especially in long printing. There is a noise, but it's not that much loud that you cannot. It's like a fan or something like small machines at work. I can show you now. I'll take my microphone closer. As you can hear, this is the noise of the printer. Most of them, they have this noise, and the resin printer, actually it's much better, less noise, but you can use them at home. It's not difficult that I do. Question number 7. What is exactly hidden cost after 3D printers that you buy? And most of the people doesn't know even around how much they have to spend after that. Beside the printer, you have to spend some extra money for material, small replacement parts, and most importantly, time. 3D printer is a machine that it's like 50% in your hand. That's how you can save money on it. If you don't know how to setting your printers, if you don't know how to work with your machine, you can lose money. This is easy, simple, and for the beginning, it's something normal because you need time to know about your printers, about the settings, about everything, that you can handle your machine after that. But if you know how to do it, if you learn how to do it, you can save money about the filament that you use, about your time, even how to care about your machine and make sure that your machine works very well. Question number 8. Can I print everything that I want? The reality and answer is no. There are some limits on printing. You cannot print everything that you want. For the beginning, I was thinking about it, that everything that I see, I can print. But this is not correct. You have limitation for some qualities, for some sizes, details. Some of the print doesn't go well. Some of them, they don't look like good. And this is the part of 3D printing. There are some limitations, but this technology didn't come to the end, and there are updates every month, every year. So we might see some less limitation in futures. Question number 9, and I know most of you think about it. It's making money. Is it good to make money with 3D printers? The answer is yes, but not instantly. You need time to learn, to spend your money, like other businesses. But if you know what you want to do exactly, because 3D printer world, it's a big world. You have to know what you want to do. Even when you want to make money with 3D printer, you have to know first what you want to do, and then go and choose your printers and the way that you want to go. You have to know about marketing. You have to know what people want exactly. You have to improve your quality. The quality matters. The last question, and question number 10, is if you want to buy another printer, what most matter for me to buy a new printer? First is quality and reliability. The second is finding parts easy. Like if you break something, you can find easy another part. It's one of the most important things, because when you break something, you have to search for it, you have to find a good one, You know, if you have a company, a brand that you can find the parts easy, this is the important thing. Another thing is good community and support, that you can go share your problems and see other people, and you can support each other in this community. This is so important because sometimes you face some problem that you don't know what to do, and another people, they might face the same problem. If you have a good community, if you have a good support, you can fix these small issues that might be big issue for you in this community. And another important thing is capability with another material, like different material. Like for the filament, the printer has to support different material, different filament, a different temperature that they have to print. So if they support most of them, it's more important. And these ones are more important than fancy features in the printers. So finally, if you want to buy a 3D printer, don't ask which one is the best. Ask which one is fit for me, for my needs, for my goal, for my future, for all things that I have in my mind that I want to do with my 3D printers. It's not just about the brand, it's not just about the price that you pay, it's about what you need exactly to do. I hope all this question and answer helps you for your next step. In future videos, I'll test and show you the different material and setting in the printers. If this video helps you, please write for me. If you have any question, if I didn't say anything that you have in your mind that it's important, write in the comment. You can help other people. And finally, we are a community. We have to help each other to improve and go to the high quality. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope that you enjoy it. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel and wait for next video. I'll see you in next video. Bye.